Hello people, Carl Muller, Travel and Adventure with 4-wheel drive. Welcome back, or welcome. Today I'm out here at the caravan and I'm going to pull the wheels off, pull the drums apart and renew the brake linings, clean and repack the bearings, put it all back together so I know that it's in good shape to take long trips in without any disasters, because this was a van I bought, no history, so I have to do this, otherwise I can't be happy that something is not going to happen. So let's get into it and I'll show you what I do, how I do it, and don't forget, if you like my work, subscribe, see some more. Thank you. Okay, so now it begins. The wheel's off, there's the brake drum, we've got to pull it apart. Down here, here's all the new components. A new dome, new magnet, new brake shoes. Okay, we'll get started. Okay, first thing, we have to get this cap off. A bit rude the way I bent them up. Out. Alright, I'll now take those for washing and then we'll dismantle all that. They've got to come off, that's got to come off and be replaced. Sorry, in this portion of the track I couldn't talk over because some road workers turned up with some very noisy machinery. I had to cut the sound, but you get the idea from watching the video what I'm doing. I'll talk over later. Thank you. Up and back this way.
Grab the gun. It's in the front, eh, brother? What? The rattle gun's in the front, eh? Yeah. Small.
Okay guys, there it is. Put the magnet on, the rubber bands are to keep the magnet on until you put it together. Otherwise it just keeps falling off on you. They just disintegrate first time you hit the brakes. So that's it. Now I'll go and pack the bearings and put it all back together. Okay, this is where it gets messy. Gloves. Right, we'll pack the bearings first. You can get tools to do this, but I prefer to do it the old-fashioned way. Just use your hands, work it in. Never had the problem with bearings burning out or anything. Okay, now we need to put some grease in there. This hub has, when I took it off, has been cleaned in kerosene and hosed out and let dry. Now, just fill it up to the level of bearings. Back bearing in. Right, gloves off time. Okay, it's in now. I had to resort to a drift. It's in now. So we'll get it back on the axle. Right, that's tight as. The standard thing, you back off one flat. To there. And put the split pin in. that's in. And now, just put the cap back on, the dust cap. Then we can put the wheel on, which I have to go and get. Right, wheel on. Now, you need to put these on. Start by hand in an alloy wheel. Make sure you don't cross thread them. Now we can run them up. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it only needs adjusting, so it's ready for the road. And you need a tool like this to get in from behind and ratchet the wheel up. Okay. Okay, there's the finished wheel with the new dome in the centre. Makes it look a bit better than the original ones. Like this. Different dome. Looks a bit crappy. Oh well. Next step is to do the rest of them. Okay, that's it for one wheel. I hope it was some education, what's involved. I then went on and did the other 3, adjusted them. I now have to take it on the road and bed them in, and then bring it back and check the adjustment again. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.